Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to put Mazda electronic brake, parking brake into service mode so you can replace the rear brake pads. To do this, we're gonna put ignition on first. I'm gonna make sure the handbrake is off. Now I see it's on, so I'm gonna step on the brake, I'm gonna push it down. Okay, so now it's off. I'm gonna take ignition off now. I'm gonna put ignition on again, and then I'm gonna press on the accelerator all the way down and keep it there, and then I'm gonna press and hold on this one. It will start flashing. Then I'm gonna take ignition off. I'm gonna put ignition back on. And now your caliper is gonna hear them winding back. And then they're gonna stop. Then you're gonna take ignition off. Release the button. To confirm, if you put ignition on now, you will see your parking brake light being orange. So now you can turn it off and start replacing your brake pads. Okay, so now that we have replaced the brake pads, we need to get it out of the service mode. And to do this, what we're going to do, first of all, let's confirm that it's still in service mode. And you can see the peace sign is still there, that one. And now I'm gonna press on the button, and now it's flashing. I'm gonna press the accelerator all the way down. I'm gonna put ignition off, then I'm gonna put ignition on, keep it up, put ignition off, and then put ignition on again. and as you can hear, you could hear the calipers and the relays. Now release it, and if you go down on the dash, you're going to see the P sign has gone. If you want to try it, just, you can see now it's steady on, and also we got the confirmation that the parking bay is on. Now I'm gonna press on the brake, I'm gonna release it, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and I wish you a lovely day, and definitely I'm gonna see you on my next video.